Hey y'all, just a quick video on the Ubiquiti access control systems that we install. We install a few other access control systems, but just a standard badge where you can have a key fob or have your phone. And all I'm going to do is come up here and welcome Matt. And if I had a where it displayed my name on there, it would actually show. Actually, it locked back up real quick. As you can see, the door is locked. Scan it again real quick. And we're unlock. And there we go. And we're in. So, great video on the access control for Ubiquiti, and also if it's locked, what you can do is nobody's here. You can actually swipe it, and what it does, it calls and it rings up on an app on a cell phone or on a tablet or on a computer as well. So, and we're just going to cancel out of that front now. But right now, I'm just going to go back into and hear the key fob. And this door is actually using a key strike as well. It's a heavy duty key strike specifically for the push bar or the doors like this. So it works very well. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help you out. Y'all have a good day.